Inkscape. It is free and open source software using for vector graphic editor GNU based general public license. Create a logos, cliparts, cartoon images, diagrams. Installation on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Desktop browser open. Google search box lo Inkscape download. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display inkscape.org. Release Windows 64-bit. First link click. Inkspace official web page complete display. Download started. Download section lo Inkscape latest version 1.4.2 underscore release date 2025 year month 05 13 date x64.msi file. Downloading process start. File size 144 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Installation system requirement. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side download folder lo Inkspace MSI file display. Select mouse double click. Preparing to install. Download folder minimize. Desktop Inkscape setup window. Welcome to the Inkscape setup wizard window. Second button. Next click. Custom setup window. Select the may you want features to be installed. Middle section lo open source vector graphic editor related features display in box. And installation location display local disk C program files newly created folder Inkspace. In case change the another one drive or folder, browse button click. Fourth button, next click. Ready to install Inkspace window. Second button, install click. User account control window. First button, yes click. Installing Inkspace. Please wait while the setup wizard installs Inkspace. Status lo copying new files. Application related files installation in your system. Wait and here few minutes. Completed the Inkspace setup wizard window. Finish button click. Desktop shortcut Inkscape icon display. Select mouse double click. Inkspace application run. Middle section lo interface related settings options 3 display. First one quick setup. First one canvas. Canvas related interface themes. First one default. Right side box down arrow click. Dark mode any one option your convenient select. Second one dark mode set. Keyboard work related right side down arrow click. Select your convenient and work related keyboard. Present default. First one select. Appearance interface related box right side down arrow click. Grayscale and classic. And system default classic Inkspace. Any one select. Last one select. Selected options related apply interface. Right side quick button present on set. Left side offset. Selected options apply. In case reset. First one canvas section box right side down arrow click. Default on set. Second option supported by you. Option select. Software related options to display unnecessary. Third one time to draw select. Work related documentation and images setup files. First one print to select. Portrait document file size. Second one document landscape and USA paper different work related styles display. Second one vector arts and animated video samples. Next option Facebook social media related samples. Next screen desktop ratio 1080 pixel and 2K resolution, 4K resolution, 720 mobile related. Next this is clip arts. Next others open. First button click. Insert any one image. This PC pictures Select open click, OK click. Inkspace related interface window maximize. Work related any one tool insert in workspace. View menu click. Show hide option select sub panel work related toolbar display. Unnecessary tools hide left side toolbar display. Hide this toolbar. Toolbox left side tick mark set. Hide this tool. Reset view menu click. Re-click. Next page setup. File menu click. Last one document properties. Select work related document. Set present landscape. Reset portrait. Close. Left side text tool. Select anyone text enter. Change the text color. Bottom side anyone text color. Select text related font style. Change right side down arrow click. Anyone font style select. Next font size right side down arrow click. 40. Chari Tech Info. Keyboard control key press.